always have this thought in my mind, can city and nature can coexist? So update ko for the new adventure. So of course, hindi madula ang atong starter pack to complete the experience. And also, we need to drop by sa Haiji Coffee, which always supports us in every vlogs. So shout out. So our offer still ongoing. For every one sharer of this video can get 1 cup of iced coffee. So you can just mention it to the owner and our page, Koreano TV. So you can definitely avail that. Only for first 5 people. Waon nyo na or ihaboy ko na. So I'm not surprised guys now that they always have this blockbuster line. So we need to fall in line and wait for our turn. And there we go. We got our coffee and iced choco. So we're on our way to Bacolod Old Airport one way. Just to let you know guys, now this property has been sold to SMDC, so don't be surprised if someday if you're gonna visit this place, sooner or later this will gonna be closed because they're gonna construct a new high-rising building. So if I were you, I would definitely take advantage of this, and it's actually free for the public. Really happy guys now to share this another spot where and you can enjoy the sunset, and also you can hang out with friends and families, and also if you want to have a quick break from the city. So this is our new spot, and this is how it looks like between 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. You ever notice how nature finds a way no matter what, like a tiny plant growing through a crack in a sidewalk, or birds making home on top of a skyscraper? It's like nature saying, hey, I'm still here. People act like cities and nature cannot mix, but that's not true. We just have to make space for both. Think about it. Trees lining the streets, rooftop gardens, parks in the middle of all the buildings, even small things like planting more flowers or having green walls can make difference. And it's not just about looks. Nature helps cool down cities, cleans the air, and gives us break from all the noise. Plus, who doesn't feel better after spending time in a park, right? So yeah, cities and nature can coexist, and honestly, they should, because a city with nature isn't just a better place to live, it's the way things are meant to be. We do coexist.